it's Nisha. So today I wanted to review and demo this new Urban Decay Hydromaniac, Stay Naked Hydromaniac Tinted Glow Hydrator. So when you read that, you probably think it is a tinted moisturizer, and that's exactly what I thought when I saw this coming out, and I wasn't going to get it. But my friend from US, we both love foundation, so whenever she finds a foundation she likes, texts me, say, have you tried this? So I thought I'd give it a go. So let me tell you what they say about it. It is a long wear tinted glow foundation. It makes me laugh how companies use these PR claims just to make something appear different. Every foundation is obviously tinted, otherwise it wouldn't give you any color. But then it says tinted glow hydrator, so you don't know, is it a foundation, is it a tinted moisturizer? I would say that this is very similar to IT Cosmetics CC cream. The consistency, the coverage, it's very similar, but I think it might be cheaper. This one retails here for £29, and you get in here 35 mils, so 5 mil more than in normal foundation. Okay, so it is infused with kombucha filtrate and marula oil. It gives you 24-hour hydration. It is of course vegan. Lasts for up to 24 hours. Can't say it, it lasts pretty well all day, but I haven't been up for 24 hours testing this foundation. It has only 12 shades, but they call them flexible shades because it is supposed to be, I think, more like a tinted moisturizer. You just choose the right tone and the darkness, and should adjust to your skin. That, I presume, that's what happens. So yeah, it has only 12 shades. It allows your skin to show through with sheer glow, and it has buildable medium coverage, and I would agree with all of that. I love the packaging, you know, plastic tube with the little nozzle, squeezable, very travel friendly. I would say this probably would be my great summer foundation. Oh, by the way, I got mine in 50 medium. Now, it is very difficult to decide the colors. I had to search the internet a bit because when I went on to Urban Decay UK online shop, it just had the numbers, you know, 30, 40, 50, 51, but it didn't tell me what undertone they were. But I found somewhere that mine is warm, and I went by the color that I have in my Stay Naked foundation. I'm 50 neutral warm, I think, so I went for 50 warm. I know the 51 is neutral, so it might be a bit darker than this, but it will be neutral. So that's my color. Anyway, let's have a look at me applying it. Right, let's squeeze some. So this is very, very thick, and the advice is to use it with your hands, really. But I don't like anymore applying anything with my hands. This is no good really with a sponge, but I find it very good to be applied with a brush. So I do one layer first. So this definitely gives you just a quite light coverage, but it definitely evens out your skin, and it looks very, very natural. Okay, so you can see this side, and that's without anything. Okay, let me do the other side. But you see, this is just perfect, and if you apply like I do, just mineral powder on the top of it, like in the summer, For me, this is plenty. For every day. But they say this is buildable, so we will try to build it up. So I'm going to add another layer. I tell you something, this actually covers my nose. You know, my foundation normally repels, my nose repels foundation, but this actually covers my nose. It might be because it's so thick. Well, it doesn't cover it completely, but better than most foundations. So I sort of got a medium coverage now. It's quite luminous and very natural looking. So I can still see some redness on my cheeks, on my chin, and I don't think if I kept building it up it might start looking a bit thick, because it is thick foundation. So I will cover the rest with a concealer. I am probably going to use the Fenty Beauty into 10. Oh no, actually I'm going to use my Chanel Le Corrector in 20 beige. Actually I should have used Urban Decay concealer, as I have one and it's quite nice. But I think I've got one color that is very light and one is dark. I have to mix them. Okay, so this is without any powder, so you can still see through it. Okay, let me set under my eyes. Today I'm going to use Jeffree Star in beige. Now, I thought I might as well show you. I found possibly a dupe for Laura Mercier Mineral Powder. This is a mineral foundation from Lolo, and mine is in Cookie. It's beautiful. You know, I'm looking for a dupe for ages. This one actually is milled even finer. If you've ever had them, Laura Mercier, you know that when you poured it into a cup it was a bit almost sometimes granulated. This one is so fine and it sets foundation beautifully. So I am going to use that, and the color is really nice for when I have a bit of fake tan on. It comes in quite a lot of colors. And that looks really lovely. I have a bit of cakiness here. I've got this deep line here under my lip, but maybe I get that with all foundations. I only really examine my foundation close up when I review them. I never look at it so much. Right, let's do some bronzer. I'm using the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush bronzer in 2 medium. This is 3505. So I am not going to be coming back because I've worn this foundation a few times now, so I know what I think about it. But once I finish my makeup, I come back and we will talk about it. For blush, I'm going to use this NYX Sweet Cheeks Glow in Daydream. One of my all-time favorites. So this is looking really, really pretty. The color is just perfect for the summer or when I have fake tan. As you can see, you get a bit of a glow. This is from the blush, but it is not matte, even though I set it with that mineral powder. Okay, I'm going to go and finish my eye makeup and then I will be back. Right, I finished my makeup. I will do this tutorial next week, so you will see it next week. So what do I think? I really like it. Like I said, it reminds me very much of the IT Cosmetics CC cream. It's very similar consistency, very similar coverage. This one retails for £29 here, I think. It lasts pretty well all day. I only notice breaking on my chin, which I usually do with most foundations. I think my chin is one of the more textured places on my face, and obviously you keep touching and then I've got this groove. So, but other than that, I almost feel like this foundation sort of gets better as the day goes on, and it might be the constant hydration, I don't know. But yeah, very, very lovely foundation, I think, especially for the summer, because it looks so natural, and you saw with one layer it evens out your skin, but it's not heavy, it doesn't look like foundation. So yeah, if I was you, I definitely give it a try if you like that sort of thing, because if you like full matte foundation, that's not for you. Okay, my lovelies, I hope this review was helpful. Thank you so much for watching and stay fabulous. Bye.